Hey everyone, welcome back to Artland. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a HEROBRINE Minecraft surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off, let's begin by folding our paper. You want to take your paper, fold it in half by lining up the corners, and giving it a nice fold right down the middle. This way you have a birthday card shape that you can open up. Next, let's take our paper, folded the whole thing in half one more time, giving it a nice fold right down the middle here. When you do that, it kind of looks like a nice big bookmark. And when you open it up, you can see that you have 3 lines in here to serve as your guidelines. And then you can open up your surprise fold this way by pulling down from the bottom, or this way by pulling up to the top. Now to start off with this, let's begin by making our Minecraft block. So we're going to start above the fold here, and we're going to go up, over, and then down to create our block. So I'm going to start right here. Let's go up. We'll come over with a straight line, and then we're going to come straight down like this. Now let's start here. We're going to come straight down, and then we'll come straight down on this side too. Then let's just go ahead and connect these 2 lines with a straight line. So we just have a simple square. We have half of it on the top, above our fold, and half of it on the bottom. Now our next step is we want to draw the little green grass across the top. So to do this, it's just going to be a series of going over and then up, and you can make them different shapes. So I'm going to start, we're just going to go over and then up. We'll go over, and I'm going to go down a little farther. We're going to come over, go up a little bit, and over again. I'm going to come down a little bit, and then we'll go up, over, and then down. We're going to go over, we'll go down, over, up, over, and then down. And that's just one simple way. You can really do this however you want to. It doesn't matter. It's totally up to you. Now, one of the things I'm going to do is I'm going to add a couple little roundish squares in here. Just some squares with like some round corners on here, just to make it look like there are going to be a few little rocks inside of here. So we're just going to put a couple around here. We'll even put 1 or 2 up here. Now our next step is we want to open this up and work on the inside. Now, once we open this up, we have 2 halves of our Minecraft block. So let's go ahead and kind of finish up these little blocks first. Starting up here, you want to bring this line down on each side. And then down here, we're going to bring this up on each side. Now over here, we're going to just connect these, and we're going to kind of do a similar pattern like this. Just going to kind of go and make some squared off little shapes here, just to make it look like the block has been kind of broken open. Something like this. Now I'm going to do the same thing down here. We're just going to kind of be going down, over, and up, just to make it look like this has been kind of maybe smashed open or broken open real suddenly. Now, once we have this, then we're going to start on the inside. And this is like a basic shape, so you can really put whatever you want to in here. I'm going to make this one with HEROBRINE inside of it. So to start off with this, let's begin with HEROBRINE. And I'm going to use this fold as a nice little guideline. So I'm going to use this to start the head. So let's go ahead and let's make a line that comes up, and then we'll do another one over here. We'll make a line across, And then we'll make another line across here, right across that fold. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that comes down, and then another line that comes down. And we'll go ahead and make them come all the way down. Right here, we're going to make a line that comes across, but not all the way. Then we're going to go down and over, then down and over again. And I'll draw a little line right down here to show where the legs are. Now, starting here, let's make a line that's going to come out at an angle, and then we'll make another one that comes out at an angle right here. We'll make a line that comes over, then we're going to go down, over, and up for like a square. Same thing here, we'll go over, we're going to go down, over, and up. Starting here, we're going to make a line that comes in on each side. Then we'll make one more that comes in. You can see this one's going to be pretty skinny. Starting here, we'll draw a line that comes down, and then one over here. Then we'll make one that comes over a little bit, just to show where the sleeves of his shirt are. Now for the hair, we're going to make a little line that comes over on each side. We're going to go up, over, and down to connect it. Now let's draw the eyes. Instead of making these straight across like a rectangle, I'm actually going to put these at a little bit of an angle. We're going to go down, over, and up. We'll go down, over, and up. We're going to connect them with a little rectangle. And then right here, we're going to go down, over, and up. Then we're going to go over and down, and over and down. And then I'm going to make this a little bit darker right above the top of the eye. This is just going to make it look like he's kind of got some eyebrows to make him look a little bit more evil. And then right inside of here, I'm going to make some little square pieces that kind of look like they've been kind of flown out as he's kind of breaking through this. So we're just going to put some of these little square pieces all over. And there you go, there is your drawing of a HEROBRINE surprise fold. So when you got it all closed up, you have your little Minecraft block, and then when you open it, you have HEROBRINE trying to escape. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.